Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your Windows 11 PC from sending your voice data to Microsoft. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, click the Windows icon from the taskbar. From there, click the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In Settings, select Privacy and Security from the left menu. In Privacy and Security settings, select Speech. If online speech recognition is turned on, you may be sending your voice clips to Microsoft. Scroll down a bit and you will see if you are. If you are, you can disable that here by selecting Stop Contributing My Voice Clips. Or you can just turn off online speech recognition altogether if you don't use it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.